As long as the hairline is workable, honey, you can make that unit work for you. You could do 2 ponytails, you could do a top bun, you could do multiple styles. Definitely with this, like, everything about this unit is speaking to me, honey. It's speaking to me.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. One of a kind, better blow your mind. I ain't one of them concubines to get lost behind when you don't blow the spine. Fly too, cause you lose your focus. I know what they're doing is bogus. Hold this, I be using my lotus flower bomb to turn you on. So if I'm wrong, just sing along. Fondling my heart and soul. Run the play and make the goal. Steady, are you ready? Gonna pay the toll. Here come the confetti, now lick the bowl. You can call me Betty when you crack the pipe. I'm sweaty when you pop the top. Pull the lever now, don't just stop. Hot and heavy when you hit the spot. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. I've been on when you've been over me. I'm beyond the sun, you're underneath. I've been having fun, you wanna be. I've been on the run and roaming free. You've been trying to get alone with me. All up in my zone and my phone I see. Can't leave me alone cause you're prone to me. Coming to my home trying to get a peek. Say you can't sleep cause I make you leave. You can't speak when you're next to me. Texting me, you know that you're the best for me. Testing me, I know you almost left to me. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit my line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. Boy, you better take your time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Outfit K Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. This one is from the Outre Sleek Lay Part collection. I'm wearing it in the style Donatella and the color DR Red Velvet. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get that center HD lace parting space. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs, honey. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. So let me just pop in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like, honey, because of course they killed it as always. So the hairline on this one, of course, is looking very, very nice, you guys. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go ahead and add heat if you do need to. What I did like about this unit, though, is that I did not feel the need to add heat as straight out of the box. It did lay flat, just like they list on the style, honey. This one was definitely laying flat. I really, really do like the construction of this. The fact that even though it is a bigger, curly unit, the top still sits flat. So the density on this one, as you can see, you guys, is very, very full. I do have all the hair to the front, and this is giving me like 180% vibes, honey. It sits at close to 150% density when it's straight out of the box, but as you can see, I did kind of finger comb it some just to give it more of a realistic feel. And honey, this is a lot of hair. Just keep in mind, this is definitely not coming off as a summer type of unit. It's definitely lightweight on my head, but at the same point it is hot, and I do think this one would 100% be one that is going to be tangling up in the nape area. So definitely keep that in mind if this is one you plan on picking up in the summer. Just know, honey, you're going to sweat in this one. As far as the texture is concerned, initially straight out of the box, it is very soft, but the more you finger comb it, girl, it is going to start getting that dried out synthetic-y type of vibe. So definitely keep that in mind. I didn't want the curls to be too perfect with this one, but I also didn't want to finger comb it out too much either, because as you can see, it's getting that frizz situation. I feel like where it is right now is perfect. Like, I would just leave it like this and not finger comb it out too much more, just because I don't want too much of an arrow vibe. So the length on this one, you guys, is pretty long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and this comes below my boobs, honey. I am the one for the big crazy curly hair, so yes, I am a fan of it, but if you do not want a lot of hair to manage, this one possibly could not be for you. Now the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. I did just the straps pretty tight, and it's fitting my head snug, especially with that additional elastic band they have in there. So I'm really liking the construction. Like I said, you guys, I did a very good job on this construction. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. I think my only con is pretty much just the texture that you get when you finger comb it out. Now I know it is synthetic and I know it is curly, and that's to be expected, but then again, I have tried some curly synthetic units where when I finger comb the curls out, it's not giving me too much of that shedding, too much of the tangling, too much of that frizzy afro type of vibe. So I mean, it's not terrible. You definitely will get tangling, you definitely will get shedding. Like I said, it's not anything too crazy, but I highly would not recommend wearing this every day, because I don't think you'll get your life's worth if you do wear it every day, even if you cut it down, just based on the texture, based on the density. I don't see this one lasting super long as an everyday wig, so I would qualify this as a special occasion unit. Now my pros on this unit are, of course, I think the hairline is wonderful. I do like the fact that even though this is just a singular middle part, because the hairline is so nice, as you guys see, I just decided to give myself an extra high ponytail just to show off that hairline, because girl, they're coming for it. They're coming with it. I do appreciate when a unit does come pre-plucked, even if it does have a singular parting space, just because that gives you more versatility as far as how you can wear the unit. You could do 2 ponytails, you could do a top bun, you could do multiple styles definitely with this. As long as the hairline is workable, honey, you can make that unit work for you. The curls are beautiful. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it looks like I got a lot going on here, but I don't even care. Like, everything about this unit is speaking to me, honey. It's speaking to me. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of their colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.